most common treatments for fever, in addition to fluids and sometimes a tepid shower or a less than hot shower, would be acetaminophen, brand name Tylenol, and ibuprofen or naproxen, brand names Advil, Aleve. The nice thing is that you can take both of these categories, acetaminophen and the nonsteroidal medication. They don't interact badly. But I typically start with acetaminophen between 500 and 650 milligrams, or up to 1,000 milligrams if you're a larger individual. That can be repeated in 6 to 8 hours. Follow the instructions closely on the medication bottle. If after 2 hours your fever is not broken, then take the other category of medication, specifically the ibuprofen or the naproxen, and that should do the trick.